In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived cards and lists in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user, revisiting archived items can be crucial for tracking past activities or retrieving important information. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to head over to Trello. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Trello's URL. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to select your preferred method for logging in. Trello offers several options, including logging in with your Google account, Microsoft account, or an email address and password. Choose whichever works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your Trello board. Find the board that contains the archived items you want to view. On the upper right-hand side of the board, you'll notice a menu icon. This is your gateway to a lot of Trello's functionality. Now, with your board open and the menu visible, you want to look for a small ellipsis or three dots, typically found on the upper areas of the board interface. These dots indicate additional options, and once you locate them, go ahead and click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Archived Items. This is the key step that allows you to access all of your archived content on the selected board. Within this archived view, you'll see all the items that have been set aside over time. What's really useful is the ability to switch between archived lists and cards. So, you can easily toggle to view either individual cards or entire lists that you've archived. If you're looking for a specific card or a list, you might want to use the search bar available within this view to make finding items quicker and more efficient. If at any point you realize you need some of these items back on your active board, Trello makes it quite straightforward to restore them. Just choose the item you wish to unarchive and follow the prompts to bring it back to life on your board. This feature is especially handy when you need to revisit a project or task that you previously set aside. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to view and manage your archived cards and lists in Trello. Hopefully, this will help you maintain a clean workspace while keeping important information just a few clicks away. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful Trello tips.